Forest River has been creating fantastic travel trailers for nearly 25 years. And today, I want to go over the Forest River Ozark. You can buy an Ozark with a conventional corrugated aluminum exterior or with a smooth fiberglass exterior. That being said, the interiors of both are the same. Let's take a look at some features you'll find in the interiors of the Ozark. Every Ozark in the line is made with your camp comfort in mind. Inside, you'll be able to camp in complete comfort with a 13,500 BTU AC as well as a 20,000 BTU furnace. Enjoy some true family time in a dinette capable of sitting your whole family, which is appropriately called the family-size dinette. The Ozark kitchen is chock full of camp efficiency. You'll discover upgraded appliances that'll make you feel more at home. Pressed seamless countertops, solid wood drawer sides with ball bearing guides, a microwave, and a deep single basin kitchen sink with a high-rise faucet. Comfort continues for sleeping. The Ozark's queen bed comes with an upgraded hypoallergenic mattress, and to get your Ozark good and dark, it comes with pleated black privacy nightshades. But once you awake, you'll love to utilize the Ozark's class-leading window package and let the sun shine in. Regardless of whether you opt for the traditional conventional look or the Ozark Ascent Smooth Fiberglass exterior, an Ozark exterior is also comfy camp ready. Here, you'll find a full-length power awning with LED light strip and adjustable legs to keep rain from pooling, plus the convenience of a retractable power cord so you don't have to try and roll up and store the cord. You'll also find an Ozark exterior comes with attributes such as a spare tire with a carrier, backup camera prep, solar prep. Both conventional and fiberglass versions also come with a 4-inch sloped one-piece roof to prevent water from pooling or sneaking into your Ozark. An Ozark travel trailer is meant for those who truly enjoy being outdoors. As such, their line of floor plans include a family-friendly bunkhouse, rear living models, as well as toy haulers. Let's take a look at that bunkhouse first, then hit the rear living models. The Ozark 1650BH has the ability to sleep 7 with its double bunks in the back and a camper queen bed in the corner. The 3-sleeping 1660FQ has a rear bath running across the entire back wall and a centered queen bed up front, flanked by 2 wardrobe closets and nightstands. The Ozark 1800QS comes with a large slide-out filled with a large chase lounge capable of sleeping 2 guests. The back wall is shared with the bathroom, the fridge, and a full-length pantry. The Ozark toy haulers start off with a single axle 1700TH. It has a solid 7-foot by 8-foot of garage area, and its cargo capacity is just over 1,500 pounds. With the flip-out sofa in the garage area, the 1700TH can sleep 3. The other 2 Ozark toy haulers are dual axle, and both of them have ramps to convert into a party deck. The 2500TH has a whopping 6-foot by 13-foot garage and a cargo capacity of just over 2,700 pounds. A pair of flip-out sofas along with the centered camper queen bed up front allows for 4 campers to snooze. The front bedroom has a solid door for privacy as well. The 2700TH is the only Ozark toy hauler with a slide-out and an enclosed garage. With the U-shaped dinette, the camper queen bed, and 2 flip-out sofas, the 2700TH can sleep up to 6. The garage is nearly 8 feet by 11.5 feet with a cargo capacity of just over 2,100 pounds and has its own entry door to help keep dirt and grime from entering the main living area. For those of you who want a travel trailer ready for the outdoors and set for adventure regardless of the floor plan, check out the Forest River Ozark. But for those of you who love to bring your toys along camping but don't want to dole out 5th wheel coin to do it, the Forest River Ozark is certainly worth a look.